Hello, greetings and permutations. This is Dave with Geekus Maximus, and today I have another little app, a tiny little app called ImageToIcon. And basically, this helps you create icons for Windows development. So, any developers out there, you might want to use this tool. There are tools online by other places using browsers, and quite frankly, I didn't like any of them. I did not like the conversion of many. They seem to corrupt the files quite a bit. So anyway, I have a link here to download this, and I will put this in the description. So let's get started. So let's download the program, setup program, and get through the security here. And here we go. You can see I've done this before. Run the setup program. Trinara is the company name, my company. And there we go. We've installed the program. Basically, this program allows you to upload most common image formats. The formats include PNGs, JPEGs, bitmaps, GIFs, TIFFs, and WebP. And you can even upload an icon, an existing icon, if you want, and it will make the final icon for you automatically. So let's go ahead and do that. So I have an icon or an image that I had created with an AI. This is for another program called Filebase, which I'm still working on. And we are going to make an icon file out of the single PNG file. Now, you want to have a size that's quite a bit larger than 256, or at least 256 by 256 in size. And I got this one and kind of cleaned it up a little bit. So I'll go ahead and start this program here. You can select more than one image if you like. Say, for example, your 16 by 16 icon didn't really downsample for you and you had to do that manually. You can actually add that. You can select multiple images there. So if you had a bunch of different sized images or just one big one and then say you're 16 by 16, you can select both of those and the program will automatically convert everything from the largest down to the next, all the intermediate sizes until it hits the images that you've created. Say you wanted a custom 16-bit image. But I'll just go ahead and drag and drop that image here, which this image is sitting over here. Just drag it in there, hit create icon, and then you can save it. And it defaults to app.ico, which is usually used for most desktop applications. And this has all the different sizes. So if you want to preview this, you can see it took my it actually created a 256 by 256 image, even though Windows doesn't actually use that one yet. I say yet, they may in the future do that. And then it creates and carefully resamples all the way down to the 16 by 16 size. Some of these sizes may or may not be used by your particular version of Windows, but this should be compatible with Windows 7 and up. It might actually work for Windows XP. I am not sure. I have not tested it, or even Vista. But anywho, that's basically what you got here. And so all these images are packed into this tiny icon image. Actually, this one is not. This one is really for show. So that's pretty much it. So you can see your icon here. I don't know if I double click that. See what happens. Yeah, it's just showing the smallest one. Okay, well anyway, that is pretty much it. That's all this program does. Saves a lot of time, especially if you just don't have that much time. You can have an AI create a simple icon for you and then just downsizes it and pack it into an ICO file. Super easy to use. Okay, that is all for today. Thank you for watching.